On January 1st, I heard a tiny thump. My calendar wiggled, then jump! The pages leaped out, lined up in a row. We'll guide your year. Come on, let's go! January marched up in big snow boots. Winter is chilly, but look, it's cute. February twirled with hearts that glow. Love and kindness help friendships grow. March blew in with a windy whoosh. Spring is coming, hear nature whoosh. April splashed puddles with a giggly cheer. Rain helps flowers bloom each year. May wore flowers tucked in her hat. Springtime is sunny, imagine that. Months of the year, come dance along. Each one sings a learning song. Winter, spring, summer, fall. The calendar cheers. We're with you through it all. June brought sunshine and a beach ball bounce. Summer's for play, let the fun announce. July came sparkling, waving sparklers high. Warm nights, bright light, summer sky. August strolled in with shades so cool. Hot sunny days before back to school. September showed up with a backpack snug. Learning together deserves a hug. October danced in with leaves swirling down. Autumn colors paint the town. November carried thankful cheer. Gratitude grows every year. December twinkled with lights that gleam. Winter magic makes hearts dream. All the months gathered, singing away. Whatever the weather, whatever the day. Learn, explore, laugh and play. We're with you every day. Months of the year, come dance along.